Hey you guys, I'm here with another Christmas DIY. And this one is going to be for teachers, teacher assistants, teacher aides, any type of teacher. I'll be giving these two gifts to my son's teacher aide. So yeah, it's a quick, simple, and easy idea to give someone. Now these bowls, I picked them up at Ross and they were, I want to say $2.99. So they were perfect. I figured they could keep this bowl when they're done, and they are so cute anyways, so why not? So I picked one up in red, and I picked the yellow one up. The next thing I'll be adding is this tissue. I'm going to go ahead and add red tissue because it is for Christmas, and I want it to look Christmassy. So just go ahead and grab some tissue, bunch it up into the bowl. And we'll be adding for a filler, I'm going to add chocolates. Now you could add anything you want. Of course, any kind of chocolate. But I went ahead and I got some holiday candy. And I grabbed the Lindor chocolates in peppermint, which is one of my favorites. I love peppermint. If you didn't see my tag, go ahead and check out my fall tag and get to know me a little bit. It's in one of my video lists, so go ahead and check that out. So I bought 2 bags just in case I run out. Now this is a super inexpensive gift to give someone because I know the holidays are here and you have to give everybody a gift, your teachers, your family members, your co-workers, and money goes by super quick. So I wanted to do something really affordable and really cute and quick as well. So this is what I came up with. You can also do a mug. You can do so many other things. Whatever you choose, it's up to you. You could put any kind of candy. You could use white chocolate, dark chocolate. Now I picked these little ornaments up at the dollar store. And you get 6 little snowflakes. I thought this would be good to add to there, just as a little something else as a gift. So I went ahead and I added, for each bowl, I added 1 package. And that's a total of 6 ornaments. Now look at how cute. I was going to put them around the bowl, but it actually broke because I tried to force it in. So what I end up doing instead is adding them to the bowl. And it actually came out pretty cute. So you could grab, they have a ton of different options and colors of snowflakes. You could go ahead and pick those up. These were the ones for the mini tree. You can also pick them up in a bigger size. So all I'm going to do is add them in between the chocolates. And it actually came out pretty cute. I'm really happy with this DIY. Now you can also add a gift card in there if you want to. But I am giving the gift cards only to the main teachers. Just because, you know, it'll be a lot of money just to give out all the teacher aides and the helpers and everybody else. So they're getting chocolates and an ornament as well for Christmas. And it actually came out pretty cute. Look at the bowls already getting filled up. The only thing I did was I actually put where the string is, I put it down just so it wouldn't show. And it came out perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and make another one. I'll be making the yellow one as well. I'll be adding the red tissue just because I want to keep it Christmassy. So just go ahead, grab a tissue. If anything, you can cut 1 tissue in half to save a little bit, you know, moolah. Go ahead and fill it up with the chocolates, and I'm going to repeat the same step. It should be really simple and fast. Fill it up with chocolates and then fill it up with the snowflakes. And I'm really happy I picked up 2 of these little snowflake packages. I saw them, but I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them. And it came out perfect. I just ripped them out of there. If you can see, it was super fast and easy to do. So yeah, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, you guys. I have more videos coming up for Christmas. I can't wait. And if you already subscribed, hey. And yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you like this video, share it, give me a thumbs up so I could see what you like to see more of and what is coming up. So it gives me an idea if you like the video or not, besides you commenting down below. And here we go. Our little bowls are ready. Now, the next step I'm going to do is I actually picked up, I really had these bags already. These are like goodie bags. Oh no, these are Christmas bags. I picked these up last year on the Target clearance sale after Christmas. I grabbed a ton of these on sale for like 50 cents or something like that. So I'm going to be using them this year. Look at, here's the other one. It came in bundles of 3s for like 50 cents. So I'm really happy that I picked those up. They are adorable. And I'm going to go ahead and see if I could put them in. And as you see, they do not fit. So then the next thing I did was I'm going to wrap them up. And I'm going to be using this ribbon, which I picked up at the dollar store. And it looks orange, but it's actually red. And it has a lot of glitter and sparkle. And here are the goodie bags I was talking about. I'm going to go ahead and try to fit these in the goodie bags. And they actually fit really good. I grabbed these goodie bags in clear, so I'm really happy I did that. Instead of using a whole big bag and cutting it up and like wasting it, it actually fit in the goodie bag, so that's pretty good. I'm just going to go ahead and slide it in. And it actually fit really nice, as you can tell. And I'm going to go ahead and use the ribbon and just make a cute little bow at the top. And that'll be their gift. And look how super and easy this is. But yet it's a really cute gift because when they're done eating the chocolate, they can hang up the ornaments and use the bowl like to put their rings and their necklaces, earrings, anything they want. They could reuse that little bowl for. So I thought that would be a cute idea. And there you go. Just make your little bow and voila, a little cute little gift to give someone that you like. It could be a coworker, like I said, anybody, man or woman. I'm sure they'll appreciate a little bit of chocolate in their life and a little bowl to put anything in. Hairpins, car keys, you know, jewelry. So yeah, that was a good idea. So let's go ahead and finish it up and make the next one. Slide it in. Be careful. You know, these goodie bags are really good to have around because you never know when you might need to like add a gift card in there and some cash or some candy and a gift card, something like that. They're really good for that. I barely thought about it when I was looking through my arts and crafts room. And that's what I found. Let's go ahead and make another bow on this one and it'll be ready too. And there you go. And just like that. Now, I wanted to show you another little example of how you can give another Christmas gift that's not too expensive. Now, I found these little ornaments at the dollar store and I thought, what a cute idea. Instead of hanging them on my tree, give them to somebody. They have an opening at the top and it's super easy to slide in some money, to slide in some thin gift. Like it could be anything. And at the top, it has the little hang to hang it. And it has this cute little ornament right there. And it says Merry Christmas. And it has the little holly on top. And they stand up very well. These were by the trees. And I'm really happy I found these. I'm going to go ahead and give this to some co-workers just to say Merry Christmas. And these are so cute, you guys. Like, they're cuter in person. Go ahead. I have a video where I show them and I show different ones they have. Go ahead and check out that video as well. I picked up some Lindor chocolates. And look at how perfect they slide in. Now, isn't that amazing? Look at how you can make a little gift simple, yet adorable and chic. And then all I'm going to do is slide in the gift card as well. And it actually fits. So I'm really happy with that. And that's it. 2 chocolates and a gift card just to say Merry Christmas in this cute, adorable ornament, which they can reuse and rehang on their tree when they're done. So I'm really happy that I found these. They are so adorable. And I just wanted to show you really quick what I'm doing. Of course, you know, I love to share with you guys any idea I come up with. And I'm going to be making the second one the same as well. And look at how easily. You could buy the different chocolates. You can buy bigger chocolates, whatever you want. And then just slide in your gift card. And voila, it's ready. And then go ahead and put it in a bag. Add some tissue. And Merry Christmas, you guys. And look at that. And then you have your little bowls as well. And there you go. Cute, simple, yet chic gifts you can give a teacher, a friend, a coworker, a family member as well. Anybody you like, and you don't even have to waste a lot of money. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. And until next time, bye you guys.